Hey YouTube, how we doing today? I know, been a little bit since I shot a video. I mean, I know you're not going to be able to realize that with all the ones I've been uploading, but it's been about a good 2 weeks since I filmed a new one. So, I got a treat for you today. Damn Yankee Beard Company's back on the channel with brand new packaging and a brand spanking new oil. So stay tuned after we roll that intro. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about what came in that box. Alrighty, YouTube, thanks so much for staying past that intro. Now, I'm going to take one moment and speak to you first-time viewers of my channel. Man, thank you so much for viewing this video. This one's going to be a different one because this product's not even on the market yet. It's due out October 15th, 2019, and I'm filming this October 8th. So you're catching a sneak peek. Now, I also know that you guys' time is your most valuable commodity, and I want to thank you so much for it. Take a look right down here. You're going to see a little channel watermark popping up. Click on that thing or hover over on it. Go ahead and knock subscribe out the way. We are growing, and man, I want you along for the fun. I want you along for the ride. All right, guys. Whoops. Hey, can you grab that? As I'm shaking it up and I lose the oil as I'm filming this, but that's okay. I can look stupid every so often in my videos, right? We've got Damn Yankee Beard Company's Cavendish beard oil on the channel. Now, I want to start this off like we usually do. You can find them at Tctbnl.com. Pete, you incredible, wonderful gentleman, you. I love you for sending this, man. Thank you so much. Guys, Pete is a hell of a business owner, hell of a small batch guy. He seriously puts customer service above everything else. I was blown away that he included this in another, order that I had. They are made in the USA out of Texas, and what I love, one of his founding tenets of his company is 100% bull free. Pete takes care of people. Now, from what I understand, Damn Yankee is going through a severe redo of like their packaging and products and everything, and this is going to be how you guys are going to be getting them in a neat little box. I kind of like this. It just added something different to it. When I opened some co-wash that I got from Damn Yankee, and I went, wow, what the hell? Took a look and went, woo! Something I thought was entirely different. They included the restrictor top in the bottle, and they gave you the eyedropper top. I popped the restrictor top off and threw it away because I prefer eyedroppers. Just me, not saying it's bad, not saying it's great, my personal preference. Now, let's get on to the oil, all right? They say that Sir Thomas Cavendish was, an explorer, and some would even say a pirate, who enjoyed a really good pipe, and that's what inspired the scent for this, just pipe tobacco. Now, I will say flat out, I don't know if Thomas Cavendish is a real person or it's just a marketing thing. I don't care. It's a neat hook. It was a neat thing that made me go, okay, wow. Like I said, this is due in their web store October 15th, 2019. So I got a really early grab at this, and I have been hooked on it since I got it. I've been trying not to overuse it because, man, I just love the smell of it. Pete, brother, you really took me back to a time when I was a small kid and my dad was smoking pipes. And he would store it in like this little wood end table that we had. So when you open that drawer to get his pipe, that aroma that came out of just the pipe tobacco and the wood, that's what this is exactly what it reminds me of, and I'm just happy with it. Yeah, you guys hear the cuteness factor having fun in the background. She's here today, and she's not in this video yet, so she's making me aware that she's there so I don't forget about her. And if you could see the smile I'm getting from her face, yeah, I got her plan. But still, like I said, it's just straight pipe tobacco, and it's got a really medium, it gets you right out of the bottle in your beard, but it mellows out, all right? It's an awesome smell, just... Yeah, it's pipe tobacco and a beard oil. I mean, that's the easiest way I can put it. It's beautiful. Now, for those of you who care, I know not a lot of people do, but there's the oil. I know it's kind of bleeding out, little golden tinge, no biggie. And I call it, basically their usual, it's kind of medium feel to it. It's not going to run down your hands. It doesn't feel like olive oil on a stove. It's good right between a heavy oil and light oil. It's freaking beautiful. Now, as usual, their ingredients are jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, coconut oil, hemp seed oil, and fragrance oils. Now, seeing how this is not on their web store yet, I took a look at every other 1 ounce beard oil that they've done. And as you can see, 1 ounce amber bottle with the eyedropper top, no biggie.
I heard you say my bed's name.
Yeah, I'm talking about amber. You're okay. Most of their 1 ounce oils are $15.99, so I can only assume that that's what that's going to go for. Now, if you're unfamiliar with beard oil, it's okay. It's got 3 really, really cool properties. All right, it seriously does. First, you just get whatever amount you need in that little eyedropper top. Everybody, requires a different amount. There's some people who have, they put four little drops in their fingers and that's it for their whole beard. Other people seem to want to use 3 or 4 full, the syringe parts. Find out what works for you and stick with that. You don't want to use too much because it will clog your pores. And you really don't want to use too little because it's going to kind of defeat the purpose. But you dispense it into your hands. Yeah, cute baby. And rub your hands together to activate it up. I mean, it's the only way I can put it. You're going to warm that oil up. You're really going to get that scent profile. And then you work it all the way down to your skin. Beard oil is more for your skin than it is kind of for the beard. And that sounds weird, but follow me here, all right? The beard oil is a vitamin supplement for your skin. Your body can only produce so many healthy oils to keep your hair growing out luscious, long, luxurious, no split ends, not dry and brittle. You doubt me? Go about a week without showering. This is going to become incredibly greasy, and this is going to become dry, brittle bird's nest. So, that gets in there, it helps it growing. That's property number 1. It's a vitamin supplement. Property number 2, it's going to help soften up your beard, so when you're curling up with your better half, it's not a Brillo pad. No one wants to get next to a scratching post and be like, oh, hey, doesn't that feel good? Nobody. And here's your third. The scent profile that lingers in your beard is going to have that wonderful smell that's going out there. So that's 3 good uses from beard oil. Now, I know, here's the weird part of the video that I love so much, okay? I want to know your questions, comments, love, anger, hatred, whatever, down below in the comment section. We really can't talk too much about Cavendish yet when I'm filming this because it's not out there on the market. But I want to know your experiences with Damn Yankee Beard Company. I want to know your failures. I'd like to know your stuff with their products, because I'll be honest with you. I've brought one to the channel before, and that was the Eraser to Go. And if you're curious about that one, look up top. You're going to see a card for every single beard care, skin care, hair care, whatever, sitting right up there. The Eraser to Go is up there. Highly recommend it. I even highly recommend Damn Yankee Beard Company because I've got other oils that I haven't brought to the channel yet. And just my personal experience with Pete and how he's treated me has been freaking phenomenal. I mean, absolutely phenomenal. And I'm just a nobody. If he treats me this way, imagine how he treats other people. That just speaks a lot to me nowadays. But let's go ahead and hit that wrap up before I get rambling too much. Man, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you once again for finding this video. It seriously just hits me right here that you chose mine because I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube. Now, for you first-timers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, and you long-time viewers, notice it too, who have yet to subscribe, here's your second chance at redemption. Look right down, there I believe it is. I think it's going to be in that corner. Going to be a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead and click on that thing. It should bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and done that, please destroy the bell icon. Why? Well, it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up over there. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My look at Damn Yankee Beard Company's Cavendish Beard Oil. When it becomes available, go get some. Make sure you told Pete you saw it here. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great one.